Good afternoon, dear students. Myself Avinash. I am working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So today I come with the subject introduction session. In this semester I am going to teach you subject mechanics of structure. So let's start to get familiar with MOS. So I will start the lesson with the congratulating all those students who get the eligible for second year, and now you people are the student of class C3I. While learning in class C3I, you people have to study the course which is titled as Mechanics of Structure, which has a abbreviation means short form of this subject is MOS, and this subject has code 22303. So this is the basic information about this subject. Now we are going to see the teaching and examination scheme related to this subject. Okay, so first of all we will see the teaching scheme. Here you can see that this is the teaching scheme. So for mechanics of structure we will get the 3 lecture per week, 2 tutorials are there, and also 2 practical sessions we have. If I combine these 3, I will get the 7 lectures on your class. This is all about the teaching scheme. Now we will see the examination scheme. How is the examination scheme? In the exam there are 2 sections. One is the theoretical and other one is the practical. The theory exam will for 100 marks. Of this 100 marks you have to give the 70 marks a written and semester exam. Okay, if you get the 28 marks you will get the pass. Below the 28 marks it will be considered as fail. These 30 marks are for the progressive assessment, and these 30 marks are divided further as 10 marks and 20 marks. These 10 marks are for micro project, and these 20 marks are for UT. This is the average of UT1 and UT2. Okay, each UT of the 20 marks, whatever you marks get, that will be the get averaged, and you will get the marks out of 20. So this is about the theory. Now we see about the practical exam. So in the practical we have to perform total 12 practicals. Each practical will contain the 25 marks, and for that practicals you have to fill the manuals, and for that manual you will get the marks out of 25. And what are the practicals we performed? On that basis I will take the viva, which will be for the 25 marks. If I add this both, there will be the practical for total 50 marks. I hope you people get understood this teaching and examination scheme. Now next question arises in mind: how will be the examination paper and semester exam paper? What is the nature of that paper? So here I have the sample question paper to show you people. You can see here, this is the sample paper of mechanics of structure. Okay, this is the 3rd semester's subject name is mechanics of structure. There will be the 70 marks exam, and for this 70 marks you have total 6 questions. Okay, there are total 6 questions, among which first is attempt any 5 of the following. So in first question you have to attempt any 5 of 7 sub questions. Okay, in second question you have to attempt any 3 of the 4. You have to attempt any 3 of the 4. You have A, B, C and D. These 4 questions you can attempt any 3 of these. Okay, same in the question number 3 you have to attempt any 3 of the 4. Same in the question number 4 you have to attempt any 3 from the 4, but in question number 5 you have to attempt the question 2 questions of the 3, and in question number 6 also you have to attempt any 2 of the 3. So this is the nature of question paper which you have to give in end semester exam. This is the sample question paper. Don't worry, I will put this on the Google Classroom also, this paper, so that you can get the idea about the question paper of final exam. So I hope you people get understood this, all the points, you get the idea, basic idea about this subject. So from the next session we can start to the actual syllabus. Okay, if there is any query please text me, I will be there. Thank you so much.